If someone's ever stole my package, that's the day I will turn into a dragon. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dami, for those of you that are new here, and if you're not, hello, hi. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Skims' new ballerina flats. I've been really into buying cool, dainty, cute flats like flip-flops, ballerina flats, or like whatever is cute to me, you know? I used to be part of the people that would complain about how shipments were being shipped in like ugly boxes. High key, don't put my item in your brand package. Actually, don't do that. Keep it in a basic box because they don't know what it is. It's just such an odd thing to steal someone's package. Like, if someone's ever stole my package, that's the day I would turn into a dragon. I'm not playing that shit, bro. So yeah, the inside does look cute. It does have the Skims regular packaging. Okay, it's looking cute. This is my first impression of the shoebox. The ballerina flats that I got are called the NikeSkims Rift Mesh, and I got it in the US size 10 in women's. They were out of a 9.5, but I really wanted these flats, and funny enough, I wanted these flats specifically for my outing today, so I just got the 10s. Ooh, I'm loving the dust bag. I love the color. I don't know, I got black, but this looks more dark chocolate brown to me, but yeah. Ooh. Sheesh. These are so freaking cute. Like, what? These are actually so cute. They are very flat, but as I am pressing down, they don't feel like too flat. I didn't want it to be too flat to where I'm legit walking and feeling the pavement as I'm walking, but they're actually not that flat at all. I can feel the soles, like the thick soles. So that's a W for me personally. I didn't want to get the size 10 because I didn't want it to look long. I don't really like how long it looks, but it depends on how it fits on my feet anyways. And I am flat-footed, so if anything, I'm hoping it doesn't look too weird on my feet because I really do like the look of this rift mesh. So first look, like the black is not like a cute color, I'll be very honest. And mind you, I bought black. I do see this rift being like my everyday wear moving forward, so I wanted something that had more longevity in terms of like rewear value. These are so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try these on with my outfit later on in the day. Like I mentioned, I do have an outing. I'm going to a Dallas Open. I'm going for a chic but subtle vibe. That concludes the end of my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Literally comment, let me know if you hate me, love me. In fact, like, you know, leave a confessional. We can chit chat. I'm never too ill. But yeah, see you guys in my next video.